So air raid sirens are being heard in Bhatinda and in Firozpur, and this after Pakistan attacked civilians in Jammu. Pakistan has also attacked a temple in Jammu through its artillery strikes. Air raid sirens, there are alerts in several cities in Punjab. Two prominent cities of Punjab, we are told, are being targeted by Pakistan. The Amritsar administration has declared a state of red alert. People are now being asked to stay indoors in Amritsar. That's the latest information that is coming in. There is grave provocation, grave escalation by Pakistan right now, even as we speak. The information that we have also indicates that Pakistan has attempted to target various sensitive locations in Kashmir, in central Kashmir. There's been an attempt. It's been thwarted. We'll get you much more information on that. Air raid sirens are being heard in Bhatinda and in Firozpur. This after India launched precision strikes against 4 air bases in Pakistan. Pakistan had fired a Fatah-1 missile. It's a 150-kilometer long range missile that was targeted at a sensitive location. It was intercepted and debris of that missile have been located. I want to quickly cut across to India Today's Munish Pandey, who joins us live with more on this big story. Munish, describe to us the situation in and around Amritsar.
Well, Gaurav, almost 15 drones were shot down by the Indian Air Force last night, and we are at a place where one such Pakistani drone was shot down. Remember, this is a civilian area, but thankfully, it was shot down in a field. Now, if I can tell you, Gaurav, what I can see here, this is a field, but what you are seeing, this red and this yellow, all this is the remains of the drone of Pakistan, which was shot down by the Indian Armed Forces. And around me you can see this field was on fire because the moment it was fired upon by the Indian Armed Forces, this field caught on fire, and that is why you can see here that the public has gathered here, and they are also very curious that what exactly happened, but no civilian injury has been reported so far. Amritsar has been on red alert, but as far as the locals are concerned, we would try to take few words. पाजी आप लोगों ने क्या देखा कल?
आज की खबर है।
हाँ, क्या देखा आप लोगों ने?
हम सुबह उठते ही 5 बजे 4-4:30 बजे आ पिंड है मंगलानीकोट। ये जमीन चलो राणे वाली दी पर रासा ही साडा जमीन है सारी। उठदे वो एक जहाज भी आया ते ड्रोन जा आया, एक बारी आया ते वो आवाज आई है ते मैं असीं आख्या कोई गलबात है। फिर वो घूम के आया वा ते 5 मिनट फिर बड़ी आवाज आ गई है। फिर इधरों उन्ना जदों इत्थे आवाज आई आ खड़ाक होया, खड़ाक दे कोठे ते मैं चढ़ के वेख्या ते अग लग गई ते पता लग गया सानू भी कोई फट गया वा। आ मुंडे एदा डेरा वा,
खेत में
आ बंदे दा डेरा लगे। हाँ जी,
पूरा यहाँ पे आग लग गई थी।
आग आ तुहानू वेखण दे आग लगी ते मुड़ के ट्रैक्टर लिया के बुझाई इत्थों लग गया। आ वीर दी पैली आ भाजी हुणी ये रासा ही दोवां इन्हां नार ये बनाउणा ही नुकसान। फिर इत्थों बंदियां ने लिया गया ट्रैक्टर वाया वा ते इत्थों आ पुट गए ते ओ उत्थे जाके डिग्गा वे। आ किन्ना टुकड़ा डिग्गा वा। नुकसान तो हो सकता जे आ डेरे ते सामने आवे, आ वेखो डेरे ते सखे के आया वा, इस डेरे दा नुकसान हो सकता है। ये भी बचाव हो गया।
So as you can hear, Gaurav, what the locals are saying, that this morning they saw fire in the field, and that is why everyone came down. If I can request my camera person to show you the visuals around, the entire stretch, you can see, Gaurav, the entire stretch was on fire this morning, and it was after the drone was shot down by the Indian Armed Forces. As far as since last 12 hours are concerned, Gaurav, last evening 5 o'clock was the first sighting of drone near the airport area, and since then there have been at least 15 to 18 drones which were not only sighted around the sensitive areas of Amritsar but also at this civilians area, and that is why you can see how difficult it has been for the armed forces. But to give it to the armed forces, they have shot down all the Pakistani drones which were sent by them to target the sensitive or those such areas. But all such activities of Pakistan has been thwarted by the Indian Armed Forces.
Give me more details of what's happening in and around Amritsar, because the situation does remain very precarious. The information that's coming in, Pakistan's repeated attempts to target forward air bases, Pakistan's repeated attempts to target civilian areas. Imagine India is going after military installations in Pakistan. Pakistan is going after civilian areas in India. It just goes on to show how dirty is Pakistan's war waging capacity. They are not going after military targets. They are attempting civilian areas in India, isn't it?
Well, Gaurav, even for Pakistan, this is a new low, because Pakistan knows very well that India will not try to act against civilians or target the civilians, and that is why we saw that even a civilian aircraft was used as a shield by the Pakistanis. But as far as this entire region is concerned, Gaurav, why this is important? Because barely from 5 kilometers from here, the Pakistan border starts. Lahore is hardly 30 kilometers from where I am standing. So it becomes very sensitive area, and that is why this has been a top target for Pakistan. The entire stretch, right from Amritsar to Pathankot to Jalandhar to Gurdaspur, all these areas are on target, and that is why from last 3 days we are seeing that multiple failed attempts, I will say, has been made by Pakistan, because all those drones have been shot down by the Indian Armed Forces. But what is important, Gaurav, is that from last 2 days, what the sources have told us, that the drones are not only coming for surveillance, they are coming with, these are armed drones, and when they are being shot down, the explosives can be seen, making the impact. And that is why when yesterday we went to one of such civilians places in one of the villages, we saw that there was a huge, impact on the ground. Again, no civilian injuries has taken place so far. Sources are saying that even no military establishment has taken any hit. Successfully, we have avoided all those, attempts by Pakistan. But again, this entire region stays in red alert. On the roads, you will not see much of traffic. But as far as administration is concerned, they are saying that they are on their toes and they will do everything best, not only to safeguard the military establishment, but also the civilians. Gaurav.
It's actually such a privilege to work with the finest team of reporters here on India Today. India Today's team of reporters, our producers, our entire team, we've been live through the night to get you a 360-degree perspective of Pakistan waging war against India and India's punitive action, demonstrative, though non-escalatory.